So
I haven't tried this either, so I don't know.
what do we have here?
A dumpling lasagna, sir, as I stated.
A dumpling lasagna, as I can identify, with some green onions up at the top.
Correct.
Some sesame seeds.
Correct.
I see some sort of sauce that probably has, what is it called again? Soy in it.
Correct.
I do not identify with that. It smells like a dumpling. It looks like a dumpling, but I'm thinking of lasagna.
Uh-huh.
Da, 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 da.
Hi, I just got here after spending the last 18 hours dealing with emergency vets for my cat. She's all good, but that looks bomb AF.
Oh,
Time for all the content to
Jespresso.
help me through less than 3.
Oh, Jespresso, thank you for the resub. I also hope that your cat is doing better. I totally understand, so thank you.
Espresso, I know everyone hopes that your cats are doing better, but I also hope that you're doing better soon.
Yes. Agreed. Let me try this so I can know what the fuck he's talking about. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's spectacular.
So, what is the benefit of this over a traditional dumpling?
It's way easier and faster to make. Super fast, super easy. You don't have to like fold the dumplings up. Like you don't have to hand make dumplings and do all that. You just layer it and it's super quick.
So, what is the reason of you making the decision of creating this dish?
Because it's been going viral all over my Instagram recently, and I couldn't tell if influencers were lying to me or if they were being honest about it being good and easy. It's a little bit harder. Maybe it could be a fork and spoon thing, or a knife and spoon.
It is quite sweet. Flavorful.
Sweet.
Yeah, you don't taste like the sweetness.
Well, yeah, it's from the dumpling sauce on top, yeah. Oh my god.
So, actually, I have to show this. This is, I don't know if that's a dish malfunction or a cook malfunction. But
Maybe
right
it's
now,
you cutting malfunction. How about that?
I was trying to grab a little bit of
Wait!
dumpling.
Wait,
wrapper,
don't take all the wrapper. Use a knife.
but it is
You're
sticking.
taking all the wrapper.
I'm trying not to.
Here.
So, again, it tastes great, but functionality-wise, I feel like this is something that you have to serve someone, or else if you just dig into it, you will have just wrapper and just meat.
I mean, that's a dumpling is just wrapper, just meat.
Now the question is, am I the problem?
Yes.
Ma'am, you're the cook. I asked the chat whether or not I am the problem.
Okay.
That's crazy. Have you ever seen so many people in chat being wrong at the same time? I'm kidding.
Arthur.
No, I have to say it tastes like a dumpling. It's really delicious. And
I will say, I understand what the...
it's moist, it's nice. But I think it would be better if it's like kind of like served like a lasagna on a plate.
Yeah. Instead of like in these like individual casseroles. To be fair, how all of the Instagram people served it was they also cut it into like a lasagna square. But I just didn't have a dish big enough to fit into the steamer.
You're right, the mic is not connected.
I'm telling you, the mics love messing with us recently. This is good.
So all the brothers yapping, aka mine, just to not be heard. Love when chat crashes out.
This was my job. You're the tech guy, you know.
Realistically though, the only thing that's kind of like unpleasant I don't know how about you, but if I have like too much of something, it almost like overwhelms me, and it's like yucking my yum.
Okay.
So this is delicious, but I see so much meat.
You need it, Arthur.
Yeah, but like,
Just put the lasagna sheet back on top of it.
yeah, but I feel like overwhelmed.
You need to gain weight.
I do, but you know what I mean? He has that aura. Thank you.
I know. I will say also an L of this recipe is the wonton sheet that's at the bottom stuck to the bottom.
Yeah.
It,
I don't think we
it,
start with wonton.
Yes, you do. It gummied to the bottom, so we're technically -1 sheet.
Yeah, I think this is just my personal opinion. Taste-wise, you make the most delicious food from any woman I have ever met in my entire life. Not hard to beat, obviously, because you're the only woman that I've ever met in my entire life. But
This guy.
I think if the meat was like a lot thinner and you had more layers of the meat, you know what I mean? Like
Yes.
like
yes,
a lot
yes,
of like
yes.
super thin layers,
Okay.
pop, then I think it would hit so hard.
Okay. I also agree.
Arthur's mom is catching strays. Hold on. My mom is her own category.
Demon, name of the resub.
Julia will not compete against her until Julia is a mom. So give her about... couple of seasons.
3 years. How old will I be? I'll be 31.
Well, biologically though, you will still be in your 20s if your next DEXA scan will show similar results.
Arthur, I think my DEXA scan results might show that I'm worse.
Oh my God, imagine...
That's okay, we're getting back into it. We get back into it, we're gonna have a better schedule, we're gonna have some days off, we're gonna be able to get this stuff done, you know? It's gonna be good.
You wanna know what I truly believe though? I feel like there's too much slack going on in Austin right now. Cause like, I saw Nick and Finn and Soda Poppin all go to the gym with Knut, they're kinda like working out. But I know for a fact that Nick will probably like lose some weight over time. It will take way longer than he wants. Then he's gonna be shy about it, complain about it. But if there was a little bit of competition, like I gain 20 pounds and he loses 20 pounds, who can do it faster, stronger,
God.
better?
He's gonna be able to lose weight faster than you can gain it.
Not only would he have the drive, because he's a very competitive guy, not only would he have the drive to do it and be the best looking guy ever, after me, because I would win, but also would we then have enough time to fight finally for February 14. And we can be like the first amateur fight, like the open, we will be the finishing fight for the next melee.
So are you